If you have the need for constant trading action, it tends to reflect that you're treating trading more like a shot of adrenaline rather than a serious endeavor. Have you ever fallen into the trap of trading out of impulse opposed to executing when you're meant to? Trading just for the sake of it easily and quickly escalates into intoxicating your journal with suboptimal trades. Now, what do we mean by suboptimal trades? Putting it simply, trades that you analyze in hindsight, trades that simply don't meet the criteria you set out as part of your trading plan. What causes the need to jump the gun? The core reason has to be the fact that as traders we associate trading the markets with an excitement and an exhilaration, which is caused by putting money on the line. If you're the type of trader that links trading the markets with a source of an adrenaline rush, obsessively watching the candlesticks going up and down, that is a vicious cycle that you have to get out of as soon as possible. Trading should be an exercise of self-control, constrained emotions, patience, authenticity, commitment, and adhering to one's rules. Possession of these attributes detoxes your trading soul by letting the markets dictate when to make a trade versus forcing a trade. What you need to focus on is your edge. Statistical edge boils down to finding a repetitive approach when trading the market, a positive expectancy over a large number of trades. This is what we understand as a statistical edge. You then let the law of large numbers vindicate such premises. The more you can detach trading as a source of excitement and instead perceive it as an intellectual activity that provides a monetary reward as a byproduct of consistent actions, the easier it will be for any trader to apply the necessary patience to succeed. So what happens if you take away the adrenaline boost, the need for constant action? If along the way you find yourself waiting on the sidelines without any triggers for trades, you could consider slight adjustments such as adding markets or lowering timeframes. Keep in mind these tweaks should be done while constantly trying to figure out which trader you identify as and what resonates the most with you. Your DNA as a trader emerges through your own self-discovery. Timeframe combinations, set of entry techniques, time slots, mold it however you wish while repeating the one notion, letting the market come to you. Part of Global Prime's role in the market is providing education. We offer a program called Trading Mentors.
So maybe you can tell us a little bit about your mentor room that you run and what people can expect to see inside there, what the experience has been like so far, how the clients are finding it.
So that's what I was sort of touched on briefly, is that my mentor room is very unique in the sense it combines the analysis side with the learning side. I do daily updates, chart requests, I do live videos to show my work. I'm constantly posting charts within the room, and I even share my trades that I take, how I manage them, everything from the risk side to the when I'm moving my stops, so they get a feel for how I trade, how I see the market. So it's very thorough in that sense. And then there's the learning side, which I have a structured program, which I have full faith in. I've mentored many people in the past, and I've seen many people in my room showing profitable books after a few months, which is absolutely incredible to see.
I'm sure you hear it all the time. You need to find a trading mentor. Trading mentor, trading mentor, 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 mentor. It's said so often that the statement is pretty much taken for granted these days. Everyone knows you need a mentor. But I'm sure if you're watching this, you've also heard the horror stories of new traders stumbling around on forums in the beginning, blowing up accounts, following scam advice and losing a lot of real money on junk trades before they finally find the right mentor who sets them on the right track. The mentor discussion always makes me think about school. We never really had teachers teaching us anything about trading, discussing financial markets, and I'm sure as shit I never heard any teacher mention the word Forex. Can you imagine Robin Williams instead dancing around chanting the proverbial statement, "This is not financial advice"? Trading just for the sake of it is a common issue that can be addressed with proper guidance. Be a trader that conquers this big topic and let the market come to you versus chasing it. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. How cool. This is a video essay adapted from an article written by Ivan Delgado, head of market insights and a mentor at Global Prime. You can read the full article on the website Medium. We'll leave a link in the description below. Recently, we've been seeing some great engagement with these Global Prime releases. It would be amazing if you could leave a like rating for the YouTube and Google algorithm. Sharing this video helps spread the word about ethical trading and Global Prime's transparent A-book brokerage model. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you want to hear about our releases instantly. Consider signing up to our email list as well if you want to keep in touch with Global Prime's day-to-day activity. I will leave you with this final clip from an interview between Ivan Delgado and Eusebio Nani. I think this beautifully encapsulates the role of a true mentor, and I just can't get over Ivan's face when Eusebio mentions why he's going to be late for the interview. Thanks.
Hello.
Hello, Eusebio.
Hi, Ivan. How are you? Let me open my webcam. I just would like to wait 2 minutes because in 2 minutes we have an important news release I would like to watch. And
Yes,
I have
absolutely.
to update information for my members. So
Yes. I will be patiently on the sidelines waiting, no problem.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes.